Hi, today I am going to talk about distraction. What is distraction? We are living in a distraction world. A phone notification, a friend calling, a party, any function. You get distracted. You get distracted from your goal. You are get distracted from your responsibility. You get distracted from what you are doing and what you want to be. So you have to think why we feel distraction everywhere, because our mind expect us from many things. It expect us to be very good with body, with brain, with knowledge, with career, with finance. But if all the thing is not get completed, we get anxiety, and these anxiety leads you to distract from your goal. It will leads to distract from what you want to become. If you will distract every time, you will not go anywhere in your life. There are many distraction in life. Maybe your friend come and he say go to the party, and your goals are pending. If you say I am going for the party, your goals always be pending, because you get distracted. So first of all, you have to work on your goals, what you are doing, why you are doing. Don't distract yourself from your goals, your studies, your what you want to do, because nobody cares. If you do, it will be good for you. If you will not do, it will be bad for you. So you have to realize what are the responsibilities you have taken, or what responsibility you have. You have a responsibility of your career, you have a responsibility of your health, you have a responsibility of your family, you have a responsibility of the social uh, situations. And if you distract from your goals, everything get worse, because you have to first complete your responsibility according to what you have getting. Don't go for walk, don't go for party before completing your task. If you don't complete your task, don't go for party. If you don't complete your goals, don't go for anything. First complete what you have, what given to you, what you want to from yourself. A phone notification come, we see the reel, and we scroll the reel. After 1 hour we realize that we waste the time, then guilt come, then you stress out, then you don't go for the work, you leave your goal. And this thing happen many times. Many people are distracted for months to years from from stupid thing, like videos on YouTube which are distracting everyone. No one know what to do, what not to do, what to watch, not what to watch. But you have to only focus on what is serving you. If a comedy serve you, watch one time, but don't distract from your goal. First you have to complete your goal, you have to work on your body, you have to work on yourself, you have to make yourself for your highest potential. After that you can do anything, you can watch videos or go for a walk, because in this modern life distraction is everywhere. Everyone wants to enjoy, everyone want to get pleasure, get instant gratification. Our brain is rewired as a survival mechanism, not for hard work, but you have to train your brain. You have to train your brain to do think which is good for your self, for your goal, for your financial stability, for your mental health, because no one is going to come to help you in this situation. If you get distracted from everything, you will get distracted from your own self, from your life, from your what you want to doing, and your future will be bad. So you have to only focus on what you want, why you want, and how can you do this. Don't expect thing to be done. Don't expect anything. Work on everything. Expectation is also a distraction. It distracts you by thinking about outcome. And if you constantly thinking about the outcomes, you will not get where you want to go or you want to get. So remove expectation from your goals, from your studies, from your life, and work on what you want to do. Work with love, work with passion, work on everything which give you, which make you powerful. You have to know that your responsibility is towards yourself, towards this society, towards your family. You have to fulfill this responsibility. Don't try to escape from situation by distraction. Take charge of your life. You are a very strong person. You have to work on yourself and work on everything which make you day by day better. And first thing to make this thing is to make your body exercise and make your body like a beast, which will help you to manage your mental and towards your goal, help you towards your goal, to achieve your goal. Make your body good, make your mind good. Don't distract from thing, only take action towards what goal you want to accomplish, and don't do anything which distract you from your goals and from your responsibilities, because it is very important to trust and believe yourself and do your work. And you have to believe, and if you believe anything, you can accomplish it very well. Thank you very much. Love you all.